Okay, next we are going to discuss about organizational change initiatives. So we talk about types of organizational change and reason why organizations involved in the change process or the change projects. Okay, when they decided to change some aspects of their organizations, so they will choose either one of these four types of change initiatives. In other words, is organizational change initiatives. So organizational change initiatives has been used interchangeably with change strategy, change program, and change interventions. So all these four terms, change initiatives, change strategy, change program, change interventions, refers to the same thing, which is the content of the change. When you want to change, what are the aspects that they want to change? Firstly, obvious that the easiest one, they can change the staff, they can change the employees, which is under personnel change. So in this personnel change, employers or companies or organizations can hire or appoint new staff, or they can just promote new staff to a new positions, which will make the changes, okay, which will lead the change sometimes, and then they restructure or reshuffle the positions, the departments, the units that exist in the organizations, and then it could also happen the dismissal or termination of certain staff. Second, process change. Okay, besides changing the personnel, the employees, the staff, the company can also adopt new operation process, new workflow, or new procedures. So now the current employees and the new employees will have to follow the new process, the new operation, the new workflow, or the new procedures. The third one, structural change. Okay, structural change. What is structural change? Structural change involves changes in the organizational structure. Okay, the authority, the jurisdiction, the flow of reporting, the departments, the units that exist in the organizations. So they can change from hierarchical organizational structure to the functional organizational structure. They can change from functional organizational structure to the horizontal organizational structure. And they can change, we'll use matrix organizational culture, which is very dynamic, do not have positions, have less bureaucracy or layers of management, or they can change into team-based organizational structure, where in an organization they have many teams, and the teams can produce or can perform the works for all types of units, departments, or function of the company or the organizations. Okay, that is for the structural change. So beside personnel, process, and structural change, companies that want to embark into organizational change, they can use also technological change, which is adopting new technology in the operation, services, production, marketing, or delivery of the products, okay, delivery of the service. So these four are the types of organizational change initiatives or change strategy, or you want to call it change program or change intervention.